Hello everyone, my name is Amol More and welcome to our channel Solution to Black Book. Now today one of our students has asked us this doubt that perpendicular distance of a point whose position vector is r bar from a plane which is parallel to b bar and c bar and which passes through a point a bar is. So let us just make a plane. This is our plane and this plane has b bar parallel to it and a c bar parallel to it. Very well. And this plane is passing through a point A whose position vector is A bar. And there is a random point P which has position vector R bar. Now what we need to do is find out the perpendicular distance of this point from the plane. So let me do one thing. Let us drop a perpendicular and this foot of the perpendicular be Q. Let us join AP. Okay, so we have joined AP and let this be AQ. Okay, so observe the triangle APQ. So if you observe the triangle APQ, you will see that PQ is the perpendicular distance of the point P whose position vector is R bar from the plane. Okay, and what is AP bar? AP bar is nothing but R bar minus A bar. Simple. Okay. Now let theta be the angle between AP bar and PQ bar. But PQ bar is perpendicular or normal to the plane. So let us make use of it. PQ bar is perpendicular or normal to the plane. So PQ bar is normal to the plane. Now you can see that if we want to find out the normal to the plane, we can use one technique. That technique could be this. See, this is the normal to the plane which is PQ bar. So B bar and C bar are parallel. So this normal will be B bar cross C bar. So we'll make use of it. Therefore PQ bar can be called as B bar cross C bar. Okay, but they are proportional, their magnitudes are not equal, so we will call this as lambda times B bar cross C bar. That's what we are going to call. Okay, now what else we need to understand is we need to find out PQ bar. So in triangle APQ, if I am to calculate in triangle APQ, if I am to calculate what cos theta, what will I get? Cos theta will be adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is PQ, hypotenuse is AP. So it will be PQ upon AP. So what will be PQ? PQ will be AP cos theta. Now let us observe what is cos theta. Now cos theta is the angle between AP bar and PQ bar, and which is in short B bar cross C bar only. So if I say, see, this is PQ bar and this is B bar cross C bar because they are parallel, right? So whatever is the angle over here, same angle will be over here with B bar cross C bar. So the angle which AP bar makes with PQ bar, this will be the same as which it makes with B bar cross C bar. Okay, so we can say theta is the angle between B bar cross C bar and AP bar. Okay, so we can take the cross product, dot product. AP bar dot B bar cross C bar will be equal to what? Magnitude of AP bar, magnitude of B bar cross C bar, and what? Cos theta. So cos theta will be equal to what? It will be AP bar dot B bar cross C bar upon magnitude of AP bar and magnitude of B bar cross C bar. So what is PQ? So PQ is AP cos theta. So we will substitute the value of cos theta. Therefore PQ is equal to AP into, what is cos theta? AP bar dot B bar cross C bar upon magnitude of AP bar and magnitude of B bar cross C bar. So AP is the magnitude of AP bar, so this and this will get cancelled. So AP bar dot B bar cross C bar upon mag of B bar cross C bar. But what is AP bar? We have already seen that AP bar is nothing but R bar minus A bar. So we can say that R bar minus A bar dot B bar cross C bar upon B bar cross C bar. That is our value of PQ. So this is the length of perpendicular PQ. Now as it is the length of PQ, we need to understand that it is always positive. So mag B bar cross C bar will be positive. So over here I will apply modulus so that it becomes positive. As the dot product could be positive also and negative also, I applied mod to make it positive. Okay, so this is the formula for length of the perpendicular of a point from the plane. So let us see the options. As you can see, option A tallies with our answer. So this is how we solve the length of the perpendicular. So thank you for watching the video guys, and do not forget to like this video, share this video and spread the knowledge. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel.